How to use eBay gift card or redeem balance. If you want to use eBay gift card, you can log into your account over here. You just want to log into your eBay account and you want to go to, or you could just go ahead and start adding item to your cart, right? So I'm just gonna quickly add in a bunch of items just for the sake of this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and select buy it now, or you could also add it to your cart. After which you will be directly taken out to a checkout page where you will be able to find this gift card section. So here it is, you have these gift card, or you could just go ahead and look for see all options. You could go ahead and select one, and then you could just go ahead and proceed on to add in. You could also find gift card and coupons over here, and this is basically where you can go ahead and use or redeem your balance. And likewise, you will be able to get certain amount of discount within that purchase, and this is how you're supposed to use eBay gift card. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.